Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to insert a picture in Google Doc resume template. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Step 1. Start by opening the Google Chrome web browser on your computer. Step 2. Next, click on the 9 dots located beside your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Docs to open Google Docs. Step 3. Once you're in Google Docs, locate and click on the resume template you want to use to open it. Step 4. With the resume template open, decide where you want to insert your picture. Click at the top of the document where you want the image to be placed. Step 5. Now, click on Insert at the top menu. From the options that appear, select Drawing, and then choose New to create a new drawing. Step 6. In the drawing window, click on the image icon to upload your photo. Browse through the storage and select the photo you want to use from your device's storage. Step 7. Once your image is uploaded, you can resize it by dragging the corners of the image to adjust its size. After resizing, click Save and Close to insert the image into your documents. Step 8. Click on the image in your document and select the alignment option to set how the image appears in relation to the text. Drag the image to position it in the desired corner of your resume. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.